cookies?
I hit it!
You hit it.
Today we're ripping out carpet. Today we're ripping out carpet.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
I am too.
We're ripping out the carpet like the carpet down there.
In this room, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're just ripping out the carpet in this room because we're going to get new flooring. Yeah. Hopefully we're going to go buy it on Saturday.
Yeah. And hopefully my stuffed animals will come.
Okay, so we're taking this carpet out. So first I'm going to cut it into strips that are more manageable with this razor blade. And then we're just going to roll the carpet up. Travis is at work right now. So me and the kids are going to take the carpet out, and then hopefully on Saturday we're going to go get some new flooring.
I'm doing it.
Cool, see if you can rip it.
Let me do it. I got it a little bit.
Okay, you can try.
I'll do the other side. Hi. Hear that?
Yeah. So much harder than I ever thought it would be. Oh my gosh, this is taking forever. Okay, so I got the first row cut, so we're gonna see if we can get it off the tack board and roll it up, and then Travis will put it in his truck once he gets home.
Whoa, what? You're way stronger than ours.
And who wants to roll this one?
Me.
Okay, so watch, here's what I'm gonna have you do. Just start right here.
You're really
Keep it rolled as tight as you can, okay? Sound good? We gotta get it unstuck from the tap.
Is that pokies?
Yeah.
Are they now with some?
Let me just get it started.
Can I lift up the pad?
And then you can roll it off. Watch out, Winston. Okay.
Pad up.
Let me get a hammer.
I can't because it's going right up.
I cannot get this up. There you go. That's the nails. I'll try to pull that part, okay? Maybe we can get this one sheet out. Okay, good. So we can roll up one side. Oh, here we go.
You're gonna get stabbed. I can't look.
Okay.
I can't look. No, stop this in my finger.
Oh my goodness. Try to keep it on track. Good job, guys. It's fine. That's close enough. Just roll it in. Good job. Look at this.
Carpets.
You sweeping? Nice.
Let me tell you what you can shovel.
What?
All of Mama's.
You're such a brat.
No, you see the little pieces that are left in the corners?
Yeah.
You can shovel them, scrape them.
I'm gonna keep that shovel.
Are we gonna keep it?
Yeah.
We probably got his mine. behind me.
Yeah, I'll close it.
Break rock. Yeah, that's what you're doing, but you don't. Look.
Your glove came off? Do you need help?
My glove. I was trying to stop with the hat.
You okay?
Stop. Nah.
Yeah. What? You need help with your glove?
I can't go much deeper.
This snow is deep, huh? Link's trying to ride his bike.
Look at me.
Link is almost taller than your tires.
Yeah. But if it's taller than my tires, I can barely go.
Uh-oh.
Mom, I'm the plow.
Are you stuck?
I'll make a little way for us. I was in four-wheel drive the whole time.
You were in four-wheel drive the whole time?